bet you want to wrap me all up and take me home with you.
Good morning, guys. I'm getting ready because I have to run a couple errands. I have to go to the bank because I need to get an account number for an old account that I had, and I can't access it online. I called, they can't provide it to me. They can't send me a statement, nothing. So I have to go into the bank, which I really do not feel like doing. And then I have to go drop off an order, ship it out. So, but I feel like, do I want to be a hoochie and tie my shirt? No, because I'm actually a little bloated. But I'm just wearing t-shirts and leggings. Excuse my bed. I'm gonna throw on this jacket. This jacket is from Boohoo. Of course my battery's dying, so let me hurry up. This jacket's from Boohoo. It's just like really cozy. I'm gonna throw that. I'll talk to you in a bit. Morning. It's, take my headphones off so I'm not yelling. It's Wednesday. Just made breakfast. As you guys saw, I made breakfast tacos, and I had my tea and collagen, and I just made me a coffee. So I am getting ready to do some stuff for my YouTube video that's going live today. I've already uploaded onto YouTube, and I'm just gonna bags and stuff in. Ready to go live at 3 o'clock today. I decided to work from my desk because I'm trying to just like do more things to be more productive, and I want content creation to be a full-time job, so I need to start treating it like that. I feel like all the time when I'm doing stuff for my channel or for TikTok or whatever, I'm doing it from the couch or from the bed. So I decided, I was like, I'm gonna set up at my desk and work from my desk like as if it's my job. We're manifesting it, babe. We're manifesting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, eat my breakfast.